Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix message not showing on Snapchat. So the first step is check whether do you have a stable internet connection or not. So just check, are you connected with your Wi-Fi or mobile data properly or not. Then if you are, just simply check that did you receive the message or not. So the next step is simply go to your phone settings and search time. Click on date and time, then toggle on your use network provided time, or for some of your devices it might also be automatic time zones, or in few cases there will be both of the options, network provided time and automatic time zones. What you have to do is just simply enable both of them and then check did you receive your messages or not. And even if this doesn't help you, just simply go to Play Store and check whether do you have an update or not. If you have, just simply update the application and then again check, or just completely uninstall the application and then reinstall the application and then you can check. So after doing all of these steps, your issue should be fixed. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.